Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the special All Points Bulletin colorway of the Adidas Forum 84 Low. So All Points Bulletin, or APB for short, is a sneaker boutique, and like many other sneaker boutiques, they had a chance to collaborate with Adidas on the Forum 84. Some of the collaborations were on the 84 High, this one obviously is the Forum 84 Low. Like the other collaborations, this specific colorway is a very limited version of the shoe. Mine is pair 94 out of 500, and some of the other collaborations had even more limited quantities, like the Bodega collab. In this video, I'm going to have a close-up and overview of the shoe and all the specifics and materials of the shoe, as well as an on-feet and fitment and comfort guide at the end of the video. Before we go into the shoes themselves, let's take a closer look at the box. So this box is the standard Adidas Forum 84 box that you'll find in the general release colorways of the Forum 84, as well as the special limited collabs like the shoes I'm reviewing right now. It's the standard Adidas Originals logo with the 3 stripes on it, as well as some basketball branding since this is an 80s basketball silhouette. The one thing that is special about this collab is the actual paper inside. As you can see, in addition to the Adidas Originals logo, the All Points Bulletin circle logo is also present on the paper as well. It's a small subtle touch that's nice. Moving on to the shoes themselves, the All Points Bulletin colorway of the Adidas Forum 84 Low consists of a mostly white upper with some blue accents along the shoe as well. The shoe mostly consists of this darker toned eggshell white leather on the upper of the shoe. It's pretty smooth and soft to the touch, and it's pretty good quality leather for a shoe that usually retails around $120. The All Points Bulletin circle logo is also stamped on the right side of the shoe in blue ink as well. The heel counter of the shoe also consists of this kind of blue tinted leather that surrounds the heel counter of the shoe on both sides. It's an interesting touch, and it's a nice little highlight of blue in a mostly monochromatic shoe. Another notable material that this shoe uses is this hairy kind of rough suede, which is present on the heel counter and the back of the shoe, the 3 stripes logo on both sides of the shoe, as well as the tongue of the shoe. Now, as I just said, although this suede looks hairy and feels hairy in hand, it isn't the most softest or buttery suede in the world, especially coming from a big New Balance fan. This suede isn't the best quality suede in the world, especially this being a made in China shoe in comparison to made in USA and made in UK New Balance suedes, so it's nothing to write home about. The toe box of the shoe has more of that same dark eggshell white leather with some perforations in that classic 84 basketball style. On the inside of the shoe, the 3 stripes on the inside are this nice dark royal blue in contrast of the eggshell dark white on the other side of the shoe. The numbering of the shoes are also present on the inner of the shoe. As you can see, mine is pair 94 out of 500. This specific colorway of the Forum 84 Low comes with these flat blue laces in a royal colorway, as well as some extra included flat white laces, just in case you want to change things up a bit. As stated earlier, the tongue of the shoe is still made out of that same hard, hairy suede as the rest of the shoe. And the tongue also includes this blue and white leather with the APB logo stamped on it. The inside of the tongue is lined with that same royal cotton, as well as the Adidas Originals logo on the back of that leather tag. What sets the Adidas Forum 84 silhouette from other 80s basketball shoes has got to be the dual tightening system, which includes the standard shoelaces, but also the strap near the ankle of the shoe. This strap is made out of the same soft eggshell leather with the APB logo stamped in blue, and it wraps around just the front of the ankle area. There's a strap with a plastic buckle in the same white color that's attached to a leather panel. The midsole consists of the standard white rubber with the Adidas Originals logo on it as well. The outsole of the shoe consists of this all blue rubber outsole with an interesting traction pattern that has these circles with the Adidas Originals logo on them as well. It's an interesting traction pattern, especially compared to Air Jordan 1s and New Balance 550s as well. The insoles of the shoe are really interesting because each insole on each shoe is different. This insole is completely white with the exception of this All Points Bulletin circle logo printed in that same royal blue at the heel of the shoe. The left shoe's insole contains this all royal blue insole as well with the All Points Bulletin spell out printed on it as a repeat. Now that the overview of the shoe is done, I'll lace these up and we'll see how they look on feet. So overall, the Adidas Form 84 Low in the All Points Bulletin colorway fits true to size. But if you have the chance to try these on before you buy them, I definitely recommend you do that since every shoe fits differently for each person. As for comfort of the shoe, it's nothing to write home about. It's a retro of an 80s basketball shoe, so there's very little comfort technology. It's okay for standard lifestyle wear, but otherwise it's definitely not the most comfortable shoe in the world. It's comparable to like Jordan 1s and New Balance 550s, and obviously those two shoes aren't the most comfortable shoes as well because they're also 80s basketball retros. So overall, the All Points Bulletin Adidas Form 84 Low is a pretty dope, clean silhouette with some nice blue accents as well, and it's a great lifestyle shoe, and I'm glad I was able to get my hands on this limited pair. Only 94 out of 500, that's pretty cool to have, and yeah, I really enjoy the shoe. So that's gonna do it for this video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, follow me on my socials, and I'll catch you in the next one.